Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 26, 2024. One of the things I've got to do today is heal in some more trees. So I'll show you here in the back of that. I've got a lot of swamp white oak trees in here, and I have a couple of white pine, a few white pine trees right here. But these are swamp white oaks all throughout here. And here's some here, and I think all to do is demonstrate the So one of the nut trees typically have tap roots, and a tap root is that real long, almost conical root. Let me see if I can grab one here. So this is one tiny swamp white oak right here, and the point at where it comes out of the ground is right here, and I'm just going to extend the root so you can see. So this root is about 5 times the height of the tree that sticks out of the ground. Let's see if I can grab another one here. So here's one that's a little bit more mature. The taproot got damaged here, and so it sent out all these extra roots. So when we do air pruning, that's what we're doing. We're extending more of a bush-like, make it more like a non-nut tree, like a maple tree, where the roots will all go out laterally and all. Let me see if I got another one here. So this is another swamp white oak. The point at which where the trunk of the tree is right here, and the root goes only about this length here before it got terminated. It hasn't really set. This is just one season's growth on this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to heal these ones in, get them into the ground in our healing in bed over here that we've got, and get them tucked in for the winter. So here we go. Okay, so we got some more trees healed in. So these are all swamp white oak. These are a little bit older. Here, these ones right here. And these are all this season's swamp white oak. There's a heck of a lot more here than there are there. Probably about 200 trees. The white pine, hazelnut bushes here, black locust here, apples here, and then we have the various different white oaks, swamp white oaks, bur oaks. We got a couple of English in here, and we got the tupellos up here. These are tupellos. They're losing their leaves right now. The oaks, they tend to hold on to their leaves pretty darn well, so really good. So before the ground freezes, really important to get all your bushes and your trees healed in for the winter months. Really important. So I think that's it for this video. I'm going to go on and either we'll get breakfast or we'll start the next project. I think I'll start the next project, then we'll go get some breakfast. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.